Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to crochet these very easy octopus. And it's suitable for beginners too, so I'll explain all the stitches along with you as you crochet. All you need to get started is medium weight acrylic yarn, a 3mm crochet hook and scissors. And you'll need some stuffing for your octopus. Okay, now that we have everything, we're ready to begin. Okay, to start crocheting our octopus, let's go ahead and hold the yarn like this. We're going to wrap it over 2 fingers and make an X shape. Just like this. Then I'm holding the yarn with my other finger. Now, let's take our hook. We're going to pass the hook under the yarn like this. Pick up the other strand of yarn and slowly pull it through. Then gently remove your fingers from the magic ring. Go ahead and hold your yarn as you normally do when crocheting. Hold the short tail of the ring like this and make 1 chain. After making that chain, we're going to gently tighten the ring. And then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Okay, my 6 single crochet stitches are ready. Let's tighten the ring. Now we're gonna join by inserting our hook into the first single crochet stitch we made. And that's it. Our first round is complete. Let's make 1 chain and move on to round 2. In this round, we're going to make an increase by crocheting 2 single crochet stitches into each single crochet stitch. So, insert the hook into the same stitch again. Insert into the next stitch. Insert into that same stitch again and crochet the second single crochet. We're just going to keep going all the way to the end of the round, making 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch. Okay, I reached the end of the round. At the end, we'll have 12 single crochet stitches in total. Let's join by slip stitching into that very first single crochet stitch we made. All right, round 2 is finished. Let's make 1 chain. In round 3, we're going to crochet 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. So crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch, into the next stitch, crochet 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Insert into the next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet into the following stitch, crochet 2 single crochet stitches. We're just going to keep repeating this pattern all the way to the end of the round. I've finished round 3. At the end of this round, we have a total of 18 single crochet stitches. Again, let's join by inserting our hook into that first single crochet stitch we made. Now, let's make 1 chain. For this next round, we're not going to make any increases. The 18 single crochet stitches will stay at 18 single crochet stitches. So throughout this round, just crochet one single crochet into each stitch. Okay, I've reached the end of the round. I crocheted 18 single crochet stitches. Let's join by inserting our hook into the first single crochet stitch we made. Make one chain. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat the same round 3 more times, keeping 18 single crochet stitches in each round. Alright, I've completed round 5. In the next round, we're going to start making decreases. So crochet one single crochet. Then we're going to decrease the next 2 single crochet stitches together. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Insert into the next single crochet stitch and pull up a loop. So now there are 3 loops on the hook. Then pull through all 3 loops together. And just like that, we've turned 2 single crochet stitches into one. Crochet one single crochet into the next stitch. Then decrease the next 2 single crochet stitches. We're just going to keep repeating that one single crochet, then a decrease over the next 2 stitches all the way to the end of the round. I've reached the end of the round and I've joined it. Let's make one chain, extend the loop and remove the hook for a moment. Now we're going to go ahead and fill the inside with stuffing. Okay, I've completely filled the inside, so let's continue on with our decrease round. For this next round, insert your hook into the inner loop. Instead of taking both loops, we're only going to take the inner loop, just like this. Don't insert into both loops of the stitch, only into the inner loop. Pull up the yarn. Insert into the next stitch the same way, through the inner loop only, and pull up the yarn. Then crochet them together. Let's just keep going the same way all the way to the end of the round, always working into that inner loop. Pull up the yarn, insert into the next stitch and complete it. Keep decreasing all the way to the end of the round. Okay, I've finished the decrease round. Again, I'm joining by inserting my hook into the first single crochet stitch. Let's make one chain. Now we're gonna close up that remaining opening with slip stitches. Insert into the next stitch, pull up the yarn, and pass that pulled up loop through the loop on the hook. Insert into the next stitch. And that's how we close up the opening using slip stitches. Finally, insert like this and fasten off. Make one chain and cut the yarn. Pull out the loop. Insert the hook through any point. Catch the yarn and pull it through. Cut the remaining yarn. And there we go. Our octopus head is now ready. Now, let's go ahead and continue on to the legs. We left the front loops here and we're going to crochet the legs right onto them. Make a loop with the yarn. And take your hook. Insert the hook into one of the remaining front loops like this and pull up the loop. Make one chain and secure it. Here we're going to make a total of 5 chains. After making our 5 chains, we're going to work back with single crochet stitches. Skip one chain, insert into the next chain, pull up the yarn and crochet a single crochet. Insert into the next chain and crochet a single crochet. Just keep crocheting one single crochet into each chain all the way across. Then insert into the next remaining front loop and secure it with a slip stitch. Now let's make 5 chains for the next leg. After making those 5 chains, skip one chain and crochet a single crochet into the next chain. Again, in the same way, we'll move on to the next front loop and secure it there. Let's keep going like this until all the legs are finished. Okay, I've finished all the legs. At the end, make one chain and cut the yarn. Bring the remaining yarn to the wrong side. Weave it inside. And cut it. Now, let's go ahead and attach the eyes. For the eyes, I used 2 black safety eyes. And I'm going to attach them to the octopus using glue. Let's attach the second eye the same way. And just like that, my octopus is now finished. Thank you so much for following along, and I really hope you enjoyed making this project.